Yo, so today I'm gonna unbox not really a new shaver. It's an old one, but I didn't want to unbox it before because I got something similar before. Today I'm gonna unbox the Barbers with the model number P620. So this is it, and it's written at 11,000 RPMs, 100 minutes of runtime. Okay. Well, can't really read it because it's all written in Chinese language, so you can see. So now let's open it. Okay. Inside the manual, the shaver. Okay. Charging cable and a little brush. So this is the shaver, charging port, power button, and the release button. So now let's release it. So this is the cutter blade, so you can see. And the foil. Okay. And now let's make a sound check. Once again. So we're gonna test this one if maybe it's really good or not. Okay.